In this video, you can learn how to paint a cake using watercolor for a birthday card. This is the 8th card in the watercolor birthday card series. Here is the sketch needed for this painting, and the link to the sketch is available in the description. I start the painting process by first wetting the background at the top portion of the paper. After wetting the top portion of the paper, I paint around the flame of the candle using gamboge yellow. Next, I'm using light orange around the gamboge yellow and allow the pigment to blend so that there is even transition from gamboge yellow to light orange. After that, I'm using indigo color to paint the background of the cake. I also blend the indigo with light orange. Using the light value of indigo, I paint the top portion of the paper. And also I try to maintain soft edges for the background. After painting the background, tilt the board and allow the pigment to collect near the tape. Using a waste cloth, wipe all those excess pigment so that it doesn't forms any background. After that, I allow the background to dry completely. While painting the background, by mistake I painted inside the cake. So now I'm using a damp brush to lift that color. Now I'm using cinereous blue mixed with little amount of Verdian green to paint the top part of the cake. If you don't have cinereous blue, you can use cobalt blue. So mix this cobalt blue with little amount of Verdian hue to paint this top icing of the cake. Here I have assumed that there is a light source at the left side of the cake, so there will be shadow on the right side of the cake. Now I'm using Verdian hue to paint the dark portion of that icing. I forgot to leave highlight at the left side of the icing, so I'm lifting the color using the damp brush. While lifting the color gets into the hair of the brush. So wash the brush again and then uh, make it damp by wiping it on a waste cloth. Repeat this process until the color get lifted. Next, I'm using lighter value of Verdian hue to paint the platter. I'm using indigo color to show the dark side of the platter, that is the right side of the platter. It's going to be dark. I'm using the same light value of Verdian hue to paint the stand of the cake, that is the platter of the cake, by using wet on wet technique. To show the darkest part of the stand, I used Verdian green mixed with equal amount of indigo. Using indigo, I paint the darkest area of the shadow. Then using a mix of Vidian and indigo, I paint the lightest value of the shadow. Next, I'm painting the blind spot of the platter using the mix of Vidian hue with indigo. To show the shadow part of the icing, I used light value of indigo. That is, I have mixed more water to the pigment. The icing of the cake is white in color, so you should not disturb the paper white at the left side of the paper. I'm giving a light value of indigo at the right side of the cake. At last, I'm painting the candle using indigo. We reached the end of this video. Hope this video is useful. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more watercolor painting ideas. See you in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.